Hi, we had seen how to install Docker and how to try creating a container within the AWS EC2 instance. If you remember, we created a T2 medium which is not part of free tier. So what will happen? The charges will continue to happen in your account. So please be very careful and calculate the cost it's going to happen. You can get into the AWS EC2 the pricing page and calculate how much it's going to cost for each of the services. If you check for AWS EC2 pricing, the type of instance we started is called on demand. That is the default instance that will get started. And we started a Linux instance and I started in Ohio region. I started T2 medium. So I can check for T2 medium, which is going to cost around 4.6 cents per hour. That is $0.0464 per hour. And the charges will get reflected in the billing page after 6 hours duration. So continuously, please do check on your billing page for the billing, as well as once your job is done, you can keep the instance to the stopped state. So once you stop it, the charges will happen only for the volume that is attached to that specific machine. In case if you don't want any charges to happen, you can select the instance and terminate them. You can select the instance, say instance state, and say terminate. When you're terminating, make sure your attached volume is also terminated. So once you terminate, the volume over here that will also get deleted. 20 GB that will also get deleted, and you can verify the list of services that you are making use of from this particular dashboard. So the volume, it should say 0, and the running instance, it should say 0, and even if it is in the stopped state, it's going to say 0. Make sure you're terminating the instance. And within the dashboard, you will see the key pair as well as the security group. There will not be any charge for the key pair or for the security group, so you don't need to worry about. And of course, yes, any instance you are starting away from the free tier, it will incur some cost, and please do make sure you are not getting overcharged by starting any new instance and not terminating them.